Okay guys, go nowhere, for in this tutorial video I'm going to walk you through on how you can actually create a working PayPal account here in Nigeria. You can actually use this PayPal account to send money and receive money from United Kingdom here in Nigeria. So all you need to do is just this: watch this video from very start to the end, follow the steps that I am going to show you, and believe me, you will definitely come back and thank me for giving you this tutorial for free. So all you have to do is, whether you're using your phone or your laptop, just go to your Chrome browser, then you type PayPal. So once you type PayPal, this is the website that most of you normally do create. And if you should create this website, so if you should create your PayPal account with this particular website, believe me, you can only end up sending out money, but you can't receive money with your PayPal account. So this is it, guys. Once you open PayPal and type www.paypal.com, once you type paypal.com, this is where it will get to. And if you should look on the features of this particular one, you can only do what? Send money, but you cannot receive money. If you end up creating PayPal account like this, believe me, all you will always get is what? People sending you money, you sending people money, sorry, but you can't receive money. So this is totally bad. If you want to create a working PayPal account that you can actually use to pay and receive cash, this is what you have to do. Go to your Chrome browser, then you type PayPal. When you type paypal.ae, this is the one you have to go, which is what? Emirates. So once you click paypal.ae, then you click here to open this PayPal. Watch and see the differences between the first one and the second one that I am about to show you. Go nowhere, guys. So now, once this paypal.ae has opened, as you can see, there is many features here, and here is the features that you'll be seeing. Personal. Coming to this personal, you can actually do what? Get paid. Are you seeing it? People will pay you here. You can receive, you can send money. So you can send and you can actually receive money. So I'm coming to this business partner here. The same thing is applicable here too. So as you can see, you have many paypal.ae. So all you need to do now is just to hit up what? Your sign up button. So once you click on your sign up button, this will come up. You see that? So you continue. I will prefer business account, then you continue with business. Just select business and you continue. Now this is the full interface of what you will be doing. So coming to this part now, first you need to put your name. Do you understand? So to do that, this is what you need to do. My name is Solomon, so you put Solomon here. Last name, let me use Daniel. Let me use Daniel. Good. Then after that, put your email here. So to do that, this is the email I will be using to create this account. I'll be using Stephanie Jane 6 at gmail.com. Good. Then after that, you put your password. But then first, let me confirm my Gmail to see if that mail is actually correct. That's what I'm doing. So here you put your password. So I will be using a separate password this time around. Okay, this mail has already been registered with. Okay, let me look for another mail, guys. So come here, let me use this mail, Lucy Shizi 5 at gmail.com. So this is the mail I will be using. Then here, put your password. Then after that, now you hit what? You hit on yes, you click yes, you agree and create account. Good. Just in a second. Perfect. So all you need to do is just to save this password in case if you want to log in later. Then you click what? Send you a code. So they will send a code to this particular mail. So all you need to do is just to enter the code that paper has sent to this particular mail that you are using to create it. So let's check and see if mail has actually come in this stuff, guys. Stay with me to the end, and please subscribe if you are new to my channel. So this is it. I've received a mail from them. So let me put in the code 452775. then you click on what, continue, and you see you are all set just in a second. So paper will redirect us now for us to finish our remaining sign up. So look at what they say: activate your account to start using paper. We will guide you every step of the way. Good. So all you need to do is just click let's go. Good. Now look at what I'm saying here. You can actually do what, before we start, which describes your business. This helps you get the right tax form later. This is easy for individual seller, sole proprietor, or you are a registered company. None. So I will select registered company. Then here you select the type of your business. So here I will be using public company. You see that? Then you click on next. Good. So now here you put the legal name of your business. You can use Solo Stack. You can use Solo Stack. Good. You see that? Perfect. Then after this, then coming to this part, what's your trading name? A legal name is what? Solomon. See that? You can actually use your name to do that. Good. Then after that, registration number, this is actually optional. Then your product and services, you click here to select your product and services. General contractor, residential and commercial. Okay. Electrical contractors. Perfect. Then after this, do you have a business website? No, I don't. Go. So here you put phone number. You see I'm showing you that you need to put your phone number. So here now, let me look, since I'm from Nigeria, so all you need to do is just scroll down until you see Nigeria. Select Nigeria, then you put your Nigerian phone number here and continue with your registration here with your paper account. So let's go, guys. This is Nigeria. Then now put your phone number here. So this is what I will be doing. I will use 070. And let me use 70. Let me use 8142375203. Perfect. Then PO box. You can actually form this if you want. This is 23. Then you can use your street. You can use your street name to fill up this form. Okay. So city. Can use any of these. Then here should be what, this. Then after that you click on next. Let's see what will pop up next, guys. Watch this video till the very end of it. So now you put your date of birth. So here we'll be giving it 22 month 05. Then year, this should be 2000. Perfect. Then after that, coming to this state now, what's your nationality? I see that. Perfect. Then after that, leave it that way. Still come here again, number. Still select Nigeria, local Nigeria number. This is actually the number that your customers, or where you'll be getting notification, and your customers might even call you using that number. So it is very, very important you put what, a working phone number there. When I mean a working phone number, a number that is always available anytime, any moment you call it. So this is it. To do the same thing, put your number 8142375203. Perfect. Then this is 23. Make it this. Perfect. Then provide this. Next, guys, let's see what pops up. Let's see what pops up. Let's see what pops up. As you can see, we have successfully created an account. Place of incorporation, that should be Nigeria. So look for where there is Nigeria, select Nigeria, submit. So let's see what's the next thing, guys. Tell us about your income and assets. In 2023, did the organization yes? Okay, so let's see the next question that is coming up. It operates only for religious, charitable, no. If your organization is innovative or bankrupt, no. Yes. Then let's see what pops up again. Then let's submit, guys, and see what pops up. Submit. So let's see what's happening. Can you see? Congratulations, you are all set. We have emailed you confirmation link to verify that the email address you provide belongs to you. Perfect. So all you need to do is just go to home page. So once you go to your home page now, believe me, automatically your PayPal account it is set. As you can see, this is money in, this is your balance. This is just how you can actually create what a working PayPal account here in Nigeria. As you can see, this is my name and this is my business name, Solo Tech. Can you see that? Perfect. So after this now, guys, next on my tutorial video, I will be teaching you how you can actually link this particular PayPal account with your local bank account. Thank you, and please, if you love tutorials like this, I am begging you, share this video, like this video, drop your comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Very, very important. Thanks, and please catch you guys on my next tutorial video. I love you all, and bye bye.